Hi, welcome to Positive Parenting Hub, and this is your parenting coach, Divya, and we are live on a Thursday live today. Okay, so as I always request my Facebook community to wait for a minute because it takes me one extra minute to go online. Okay, here we go. आज थोड़ा सिस्टम still dicey because I forgot to charge my laptop. Okay, so देखते हैं till what time does my laptop gives me permission to talk. I completely forgot to charge my laptop in the morning and अभी देखा तो बैटरी सिर्फ 20% है. Okay, it's okay. We'll do our best. We'll see how long can we go and तब तक स्कूल से 3 बजे आती है. How is everybody doing? How was the last week? Mine was very, very hectic, but it was fun. The holiday season starts for my son in one day. So, yes, life is going to get like super busy suddenly. And that's it. So, hi, Sonia. Hey, Amna. So this is just a Q&A because I got so many questions, DMs last week saying, ma'am, 2 times you're not taking any questions. You're just talking about guilt and motherhood. And though it is helpful, but we still have questions to ask. So I thought, okay, this week we'll only do Q&As. Let me tell me what your problems are. If you're here for the first time in my community, then welcome. Thank you for spending next 30 minutes or 1 hour with me. Generally it's a 1 hour because but as I said this time I forgot to charge my laptop. तो जितनी देर हमारे मेरे लैपटॉप की मेहरबानी होगी उतनी देर हम बात करेंगे. And thank you for spending and sharing your things with me. Okay, if you have any questions, please put it in the chat box. If you're from Facebook, then put it in the chat box. If you're from Instagram, put it in the comments column, and I will try my best to answer them. Okay, so let's get. Oh, you can't hear me. Can you hear me on Instagram? Are you able to hear me? Just wanted to check one quick time. Are you able to hear me on Instagram? Just let me know with a thumbs up. Because someone just messaged that we can't hear you. So I just want to be sure that you can hear me before I start taking the questions. Yeah, can you hear me? Yes. Okay, cool, perfect. Let's start then. Chalo. Let's start taking the questions then. Okay, thank you. Let me just scroll up and start looking at the questions. Okay, Prashant has written, my child is 1.5 years old. He doesn't allow any one of us to tough. I think you're trying to say touch each other. As we touch anyone, he starts yelling and crying. How to deal with it? When you say touch means, I'm sure when you're saying that to show affection to your wife, Prashant, right? So maybe that is what you meant. Okay. देखो क्या होता है ना, children are very possessive, especially about mothers or fathers, and at young age they are very possessive about the mother. Okay. मेरे घर में तो my child is 6 now and he still has the same problem, but yeah, over time we tease him, we do things, we are we make him understand that we love him also and we love each other also. So at 1.5 years old, it's just that I will suggest that don't just uh, don't just not do it because your child will get angry. Because जब आप ऐसे करते हो ना, you are telling your child that you can actually dictate us. Okay, so if you suppose you go to your wife and you're just putting a hand around your wife, or you are just talking to your wife and your child starts screaming, you give him the same kind of affection as well. Let your wife also give the same kind of affection as well. You tell your child, bacha, I know that you are feeling आपको लग रहा है कि मम्मा मेरे को ज़्यादा प्यार कर रहे हैं या आपको ज़्यादा प्यार कर रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है, मम्मा दोनों से प्यार करते हैं. आई एम श्योर यू हैव ट्राइड ऑल दैट. ओके, बिकॉज टिल डेट इवन आई हैव ट्राइड ऑल दैट. But somehow children are very possessive about their mothers, very very possessive about their mothers. Some are not. There are children like that also who really doesn't really, I won't say care, but for them it is not like too much. It's like ठीक है तो है. But some are very very possessive. It's like my mother is like my mother. No, you can't. The mother can't even go and pick up another child. They will not like it. Okay. So what happens is you still continue to do what you are doing. Okay. Casual touch. I don't think you should stop having that relationship with your wife just because your child is crying. If your child is crying, take him into your lap and you cuddle the child as well. You love the child as well. You know, all three of you can sit together. But if you start to just stop it completely because your child is crying, आप पता है क्या इंडिकेशन दे रहे हो उसको कि अगर तुम रोगे तो मैं नहीं करूंगा. So you are bossing me around. So you're giving the child the thing that you can really boss me around with your tantrums and everything. You have to acknowledge your child that ठीक है, I understand कि आपको लग रहा है कि मम्मा मेरे से ज़्यादा प्यार करेंगे. I understand that. ठीक है, 1.5 years को वो समझ में भी नहीं आना है. It's just share out of the fact कि he is just possessive. Okay? But you still, I will suggest you still go ahead and do what you have to do because he's just being possessive. That's it. Nothing else. Okay? If you do not do this, and if you start being away from your child, then you know what is happening. You are actually separating from your partner. देखो सारे कहते हैं बच्चे को खुश रखो, बच्चे को खुश रखो, बच्चे को खुश रखो. बट मैं एक चीज बोलती हूँ, अगर पेरेंट्स हैप्पी नहीं है, इफ आई एम नॉट happy with my partner, if I am not happy with my house, if me and my partner are not communicating, you know, then बच्चा कैसे खुश रहेगा? Because ultimately वो tension जो है, that irritation will come on to the child. And child को actually क्या चाहिए होता है? हर बच्चे को ये चाहिए होता है that I need a secure home, I need a happy home, right? Every child wants a secure home and a happy home. And that security and happiness will only come if both the parents are happy, right? If both the parents have that bond. Okay, so understand that this is only coming because your child is just being very possessive. And if your child is a boy, then boys have this tendency of marking their territory from the very beginning. Some boys who are very strong headed, no, वो करते हैं. And if it is of any consolation to you, आपको अगर कुछ अच्छा लगे, तो as I said, मेरा 6 साल का बेटा है, वो आज तक ऐसे करता है. But does that stop me and my husband from hugging each other or, you know, cuddling each other or whatever it is, you know? We still go ahead, we still do mazak, we still are like always, उसको थोड़ा सा गुस्सा होता है, I am not going to talk to you, mama, you know? But we also take it like in a game way or in a fun way. And my husband anyways is very funny, and you know, he can make games out of everything. So we again go and we kiss him also. So we make it like a family thing, you know, in front of him, because I feel he needs to also see that how woman needs to be respected at home. I also want him to see that it is okay to, you know, show affection in family as well. He shouldn't feel shy. I come from that point that I want him to see happy parents, I want him to see happy mom and dad, and that's what I do. So if it is of any help, मेरा बच्चा 6 साल का है, वो अभी भी करता है. It's just that we just don't let him rule over us. We just make it into a more fun and a more family kind of a thing then. Okay, so I hope that helps. Okay, so just be a little patient. You make it into a family thing and things like that, like in kind. Okay. Okay, let's take another one. You have muted yourself? No, I have not muted myself. I'm sure you can hear me. My toddler is 18 months old. We are both working parents. She is taken care by her grandparents. She has zero screen time. What are the engaging activities that we can have with her? I am actually not an activity expert. There was a time when I would do like hundreds of activities, and very honestly, just go Google and you will find hundreds of activities. Okay, if they are with the grandparents, I think grandparents know it better. I'm sure there's a nanny, so they will take care. योर चाइल्ड समटाइम्स नो, पता नहीं कितने बच्चों के साथ ऐसा होता है कि नहीं, यू कैन ब्रिंग लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज फॉर योर चाइल्ड, ओके। खेलना उन्होंने फिर भी पेपर से है, चम्मच कटोरी से है, डब्बों से है। सो डोंट स्ट्रेस टू मच अबाउट कि उसके लिए ये करना है, ये एक्टिविटी खरीदनी है, वो एक्टिविटी खरीदनी है, ये करना है, वो करना है, नहीं। इट्स ओके, वॉट एवर इज अवेलेबल अराउंड यू जस्ट गिव इट टू देम। ज्यादा से ज्यादा हो तो पेपर दे दो, यू नो, गिव देम क्रेयॉन्स। क्या होता है ना, स्पेशली एट 18 months and all, the more activities we try to do with them, the more frustrated sometimes we become as parents, because they don't have that motor skills to do it, okay. So I do not have any specific list of activities, but I will say you can google it. If you think some of them are good, please do it, but don't burden your parents with it, you know. If they have a certain way of parenting when you are not around, I think they will manage it, okay. Right now, what your child need is presence, what your child need is love, what your child needs is outdoor, what your child need is curiosity. देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ टाइम मैं अपने बच्चे को सिर्फ आटे से खेलने देती थी, एंड उसके बाद घर का जो हाल होता था वो वाज अ सेपरेट थिंग, बट आई हैव डन ऑल दैट, आई हैव नॉट गॉन आउट एंड बॉट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। हाँ, उससे पहले, बिफोर आई गॉट इनटू दिस पेरेंटिंग जर्नी, I used to be someone who used to have proper shelves and, you know, everything used to be in places. But after some time, I realized that he doesn't need all that. All he needs sometimes is just a box, and he's very happy playing with the box. Okay, so don't stress loud. It's okay. Let the grandparents decide what they want to do. Okay, your child is not going to be left behind अगर वो activities नहीं करेगा या smartivity नहीं करेगा या ये नहीं करेगा वो नहीं करेगा. Okay, I will say you are very lucky that you have grandparents at home taking care when both of you are working. At least, you know, there is someone who is going to love the child so much and take care of them with the best of their intentions. मैम, अगर बच्चा हमें फॉर ग्रांटेड ले ले तो क्या करना चाहिए? जशन या फॉर ग्रांटेड तो लेते ही है। मैं तो आज तक अपनी मम्मी को फॉर ग्रांटेड लेती हूँ कि शी इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी देयर फॉर मी, okay. But I think what you're trying to say is that if your child is kind of getting into the for granted in a disrespectful way, right? जैसे कि डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल वे मतलब कि जैसे होता है ना कि समटाइम्स वी एज मदर्स फॉरगेट टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन विद नॉट ओनली विद आवर चिल्ड्रन बट विद पीपल अराउंड अस, है ना, होता है ना. वी विल बी लाइक वी विल बी ऑल अबाउट नहीं यार बुरा लग जाएगा, यू नो, वी विल टेक थिंग्स फ्रॉम देम बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू हर्ट देम, वी विल टेक थिंग्स फ्रॉम देम बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू एंड अप इनटू अ फाइट. Okay, now let me tell you something. If you are not going to respect yourself, if you are not going to set boundaries for yourself, nobody else is coming to rescue you or set boundaries for you mothers. Okay, this I've seen this with a lot of mothers, especially girls. Okay, so if you are not going to set that boundary कि भाई this is acceptable, this is not acceptable, your child is also not going to know कि कितना करना है और कितना नहीं करना है. जैसे अब आप लिख रहे हो बात सुनने में फॉर ग्रांटेड, बिकॉज फॉर ग्रांटेड कैसे ले सकते हैं आपको, क्योंकि आपने कभी कुछ बोला कि बेटा अगर आपने ये किया तो इसका ये कॉन्सिक्वेंस होगा, और आई डू नॉट वांट यू टू डू दिस और समथिंग लाइक दैट, यू नो, आपने कुछ बोला, आपने कोई कॉन्सिक्वेंस उसको बोला, लेकिन क्या हुआ कि जब वो करके भी आ गया, यू नो, वो चीज हो भी गई, यू डिडंट होल्ड द बाउंड्री ऑफ टेकिंग इट थ्रू. ओके, यू डिडंट होल्ड द कमिटमेंट कि अगर मैंने ये बोला है तो ये होगा. इट्स लाइक दिस. आप ये सोचो, आपकी एक फ्रेंड है, ठीक है, वो हमेशा कहती है अच्छा यार आजा कॉफी भी मिलते हैं, ठीक है, चल पक्का पक्का मंडे को पक्का मिलेंगे, ठीक है. मंडे आ गया, शी डिडंट कम फॉर द कॉफी, ओके, यू वेंट, शी डिडंट कम. फिर उसने थोड़े दिन का बोला चल अगले मंडे पक्का मिलेंगे, नेक्स्ट मंडे ऑल्सो शी डिडंट कम. Do you think third time when she says let's meet on Monday you're going to take her seriously? You will not take her seriously because वो पहले दो बार तो आई नहीं है. So you'll be like यार ये तो ऐसे ही बोल रही है, इसको कुछ करना वरना है नहीं, right? Same sometimes your child feels when you do not know where to draw a line and set a boundary and say this is what it is, और if अगर ये consequence हमने discuss किया है तो यही होगा. Like a simple thing, especially with screen time, a lot of people struggle. Okay, Like I have told my child ki beta, you have 5 more minutes. If you do not switch off the screen, I will take the phone from you. I have informed my child, I'll take the phone for you. I will pick up the remote and switch it off. Okay, 5 minutes हो गए. I come and I tell my child, please switch off the phone or the TV. Mama last, and you go, and then you come back, and again you're shouting, and then he's not switching off, and then you give up and you go. The child knows that यार ये तो मैं थोड़ा रोऊंगा दूंगा ये हो जाएगा. Your boundary setting would be that you pick up the remote and you switch it off, and not be scared that your child is going to cry. Your child has all the right to cry. They have all the right to feel emotional. They have all the right to be angry because उनके हिसाब से चीज नहीं हो रही है. But you also have all the right to set the boundary and say this is what it is. Okay, so next time if you think your child is not taking you seriously, if your child is not respecting what you're saying, then I want you to start looking inward instead of looking at the child कि वो ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर रहा है. आप पहले देखो आप ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो कि वो आपको फॉर ग्रांटेड ले रहा है. जैसे वो कहते हैं ना कि काफी लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि यार मेरे फ्रेंड्स ना मुझे फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं. आई एम नाइस बट दे मिसअंडरस्टैंड मी. They take you for granted because there is something that you're not doing right. Maybe you're overly available, maybe you're not setting your boundary as to when they can call you, when they cannot call you. Maybe you're doing way too much which they are not even appreciating. Okay, so same is with children as well. बच्चे भी वही चीज होते हैं. ठीक है, so try looking inward, darling. See what are you doing, what is your child not taking you seriously about. Okay, and work on it. Okay, now let's go to any other questions. There is no questions from Facebook today. I wonder, are we online on Facebook or not? Just give me a second. Okay, yes, we are online on Facebook. One second, huh? I have a message from my mother. As I said, my mother always comes on the live, and if there is something missing, she will tell me this is not happening live. Okay. देखो मम्मी का मैसेज है, रिप्लाई तो करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो डांट पड़ती है बाद में. नहीं डांट नहीं पड़ती, बट जस्ट आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट. She called me before also and I could not reply because I was busy with my videos, but I think we should. Okay, that's only after you become a mother you realize the importance of a mother. Okay, चलो let's take the next one because as I said आज थोड़ा time कम है, तो I will quickly do it. I don't want the laptop to shut off suddenly. Okay, प्लीज मेरा आंसर दे दे. ओके, फिर से मुझे क्वेश्चन ढूंढना पड़ेगा जी आपका आंसर देने के लिए. रुकिए 1 मिनट. Okay, I'm going to start with Deepti Sharma. Okay, ma'am, my 21-month-old is very fussy in eating and addicted to screen. He watches Cocomelon, then only he eats. Please help me. दीप्ति, इसके ऊपर तो हमने पता नहीं कितनी बार लाइव करा हुआ है as to how to make sure that your child, how to take your child away from screen. Okay, and let me tell you, your child is not the one who is a fussy eater. A lot of children are fussy eaters. My son is, I will say, is also in that category as well and always has been. But introducing screen to your child is not a solution for them. It's a solution for us. आप बोलेंगे लेकिन अगर मैं स्क्रीन नहीं देती हूँ तो वो खाना नहीं खाता है. ये आपको लगता है क्योंकि आपने क्या करा है ना, आपने you have associated screen with food for your child and your child is only 21 months old. Okay, she says I've kept my child hungry as well and he is okay being hungry. See, that's what I'm trying to say. It's like when somebody is addicted to something, okay, and you suddenly want to break that addiction, they are going to go berserk. Okay, आपको हमेशा step by step is what you have to work on when it comes to screen addiction. If you have time, Dipti, then go to one of my lives, previous lives, उसमें लिखा होगा screen time addiction and just watch it. Otherwise, just in a nutshell, I'll tell you what to do. if your child has been watching TV all 3 times wala meals mein, then during the time when you have time, okay, you tell him that, listen, today let me read you a book. Right now your child is busy doing something else when the food comes, okay, when the food comes. So अभी स्क्रीन टाइम एडिक्शन हटाने के लिए पहले you have to have something that he can do instead of screen. For example, sometimes I suggest parents that start giving a book, read them a book, play with them a little bit, because उसको सिर्फ बैठ के खाना खाना नहीं आता है, उसके लिए स्क्रीन इज एन एडिक्शन, ओके। आपने ये बोला कि मैंने अपने बच्चे को भूखा रहने भी दिया और वो भूखा रहा। आर यू टेलिंग मी कि उसने पूरे दिन में कुछ भी नहीं खाया? ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि उसने ना ब्रेकफास्ट खाया, ना लंच खाया, ना डिनर खाया। आई कैन अश्योर यू कि उसने 2 मील नहीं खाई होगी, थर्ड मील आपने अपने आप उसको फोन दे के खिला दी होगी, बिकॉज आई नो एज अ मदर वी फील लाइक कुछ खाया नहीं, कुछ खाया नहीं, कुछ खाया नहीं, ओके। सो डोंट गो extreme on your child if he's used to watching TV and eating. Prepare things that he loves so that over TV he's like, yaar ye to mujhe khana hi khana hai, okay, and start with one meal at a time. And strongly suggest go back and look at one whole Thursday live we did on it, where we talked step by step process as to how you can help your child get away from screen. देखिए, जस्ट बिकॉज माई चाइल्ड इज अ फसी ईटर, नो, हम लोग ये बहुत बड़ी गलती कर देते हैं कि हम स्क्रीन इंट्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स ईजियर फॉर अस टू फीड अ चाइल्ड, स्पेशली इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट। बट फॉर अ चाइल्ड जिसको बचपन से या बहुत टाइम से ये आदत पड़ गई है कि अगर स्क्रीन दिखेगा तो ही मैं खाऊंगा, इट्स नॉट अ चाइल्ड्स प्रॉब्लम और एन इशू देयर एट ऑल, उसकी गलती नहीं है, ठीक है। तो अगर उस एडिक्शन से उसको निकालना है, देन दैट इज आवर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ओनली। आई टेल यू, जैसे कि आप अगर किसी को सपोज ड्रिंकिंग का एडिक्शन है, अगर आप सडनली उसको बोलो तो भाई ड्रिंक करना बंद कर दे, दे विल ऑल्सो फील कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है, देयर इज अ होल रेजिस्टेंस दैट विल कम टू इट। बट इफ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट स्टेप बाय स्टेप, देन देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी। अ लॉट ऑफ इंडियंस हैव दिस हैबिट ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग चाय। अगर आप उनमें से जो सुबह शाम दोपहर एटलीस्ट आपको 3 कप चाय चाहिए ही चाहिए, सपोज मैं आपको बोलूं कि मैं आपको चाय नहीं दूंगी 2 दिन, यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग अ हेडेक बिकॉज इट्स इन योर सिस्टम। सो स्क्रीन इज ऑल्सो एन एडिक्शन ओनली, ओके। सो अगर आपको चाय कट करनी है, आप पहले धीरे धीरे कट करेंगे, आप बोलेंगे चलो मैं ऐसा करता हूँ 3 जगह की जगह 2 टाइम पीना शुरू करते, फिर 2 से 1। सो डू स्टेप बाय स्टेप दीप्ति, इट विल हेल्प। एंड ऑन द टेबल व्हेन योर चाइल्ड इज देयर, one, you should have all the patience and time at that time, and you're not in a hurry, that even if your child is not eating, you will not scream or shout, or you will not just give in because your child is having a tantrum. To try to engage your child in something else like a book or a toy or something that they can use with, ठीक है, try that. Chalo, I'll read more questions. I hope I have answered you. I am not able to see questions. Just give me a second, huh? Comments. Okay, here is the comments. Comments के लिए मैंने अलग फोन रखा हुआ है, क्योंकि comments इसमें मेरे को दिखते नहीं है। Facebook से comments दिख जाते हैं कभी कभी, बट वैसे नहीं। Okay, Manpreet says, my son is 5-year-old. He is not paying attention to homework, rather start playing altogether. He is a good learner. At 5-year-old, the focus is really less, and who likes to do homework over playing? But if you have to set a rule, then set a time. Tell them that between this time to this time, you have to finish your homework. Have a desk that is clutter free. Okay, अगर वो डेस्क पे नहीं पढ़ रहा और अगर वो बेड पे बैठ के पढ़ रहा है या कहीं और बैठ के कर रहा है, then make sure there is not too many things that is distracting your child. Okay, and most of all, from a mother to another mother, have your patience at the top most level. Okay, why I'm saying from a mother to another mother, because I am still going through it. Okay, making my child sit for 15 minutes sometimes becomes too much for me. And let me tell you one very honest story so that you know that we all are in the same boat. Okay, one day I was sitting with my son Zoravar. ही वॉज 5, तब भी वो 5 का ही था, आई रिमेंबर, अराउंड 3-4 मंथ्स की बात, पहले की बात है. एंड आई वॉज एनी वेज इन अ हरी, ठीक है, आई डेंट हैड अ गुड डे, एंड मेरे को था कि यार खत्म कर ले, बिकॉज इट वॉज लाइक, मुझे कभी लगता है उनका होमवर्क मेरा होमवर्क है यार, इट इज लाइक अ स्ट्रेस ऑन मी. ओके, मुझे पता है उसको वो मैथ्स के सारे सम आते हैं मुझे, और 2 ही शीट करनी है. एंड आई एम टेलिंग हिम, जोरावर लेट्स फिनिश इट, बिकॉज उसके बाद मुझे जाना है वॉक करने. आई एनीवेज डिडंट हैड अ गुड डे, एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट द वॉच, एंड आई एम लाइक यार ये खत्म कर ले, 6 बज गए, 6 बज गए. एंड दैट बॉय इज डूइंग, बट देन यू नो हाउ किड्स आर, मस्ती करेंगे, ऐसे करेंगे, खेलेंगे पेलेंगे, सब करेंगे. एंड आई एम रियली रियली गेटिंग इरिटेटेड देयर, लाइक लिटरली माई पारा वॉज कमिंग अप one by one. Okay, and I actually told him, I said, Zorawar, please sit down and do this right now. I said, मेरे पास और टाइम नहीं है, प्लीज खत्म करो, ठीक है. And then he said, yes mama, and then he got his pencil, and then he started writing like it's छोटा 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 छोटा. एंड मेरे को और गुस्सा चढ़ी जा रहा था, ना लाइक यार कर लेना यार, लाइक आई नो ही कैन डू द 2 शीट्स इन लेस देन 5 minutes, बिकॉज उसको वो सारा आता है. बट जब बच्चे नहीं करते तो और गुस्सा आता है, ठीक है. तो इतना गुस्सा आ गया था कि मुझे लग रहा था आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू यू नो ब्लास्ट ऑफ, लाइक लिटरली ब्लास्ट ऑफ. एंड इतनी देर में जोरावर डिड अ थिंग, एंड थैंक गॉड ही डिड, नहीं तो उस दिन तो आई वुड हैव रियली ब्लास्ट ऑफ. ओके, ही जस्ट गॉट अप, वेंट टू हिज रूम, and I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है, you know, and I'm like, Zorawar, where are you going? Mama, I'm coming. He went to his room to get something. But in that 1 minute that he took to go into his room and come back, you know what I realized? This is not worth it. This is really not worth it. वो आया वापस, कुछ पता नहीं, एक कार सी ले आया अपने साथ, उसको he is very fond of cars, so छोटी सी कार ले आया. And he is like, हाँ मम्मा अब मैं करता हूँ, and he sat down. Okay, and I looked at him, and you know what I told him? I said, Zorawar, एक बात बोलूँ? कहता हाँ. मैंने कहा, Zorawar, this is not worth it. तो he's like, what worth it मम्मा? मैंने कहा, Zorawar, this is not worth it. You know, ये जो हम कर रहे हैं ना अभी, this me fighting and me getting irritated and you not studying. I said, beta, I love you way too much for me to sit here and fight with you. So I said, I am going to stop here, and if you plan to finish your homework, aap kar lo. If you do not plan to finish it, I'm going to get up and go. Teacher will see it tomorrow, so speak to the teacher, aapne kyun nahi kiya, you know. And I literally got up and I came to my room, क्योंकि मुझे ये लग रहा था कि is this homework worth me getting irritated at that point of time? Can I pause for a minute? Can I just take a breather for a minute? You know, that's why I said this is from one mother to the other, because I do go through the same thing a lot of time in a day. So now, अच्छा, to finish that story off, उस टाइम तो he went playing. Okay, he said, अरे वाह मम्मा left me, he went playing. And very honestly मुझे भी 2 मिनट लगा कि मैंने क्या करा यार, इसने तो होमवर्क ही नहीं करना. बट देन आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ, दिव्या, इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट, इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. 2 पेज ही नहीं है ना मैथ्स के, नहीं होंगे कोई बात नहीं, कल टीचर अपने आप इसको देख लेगी, ठीक है. एंड आई गॉट अप, वेंट फॉर माई वॉक, केम बैक मच मोर रिलैक्स्ड, मच मोर काम डाउन. ओके, आई केम बैक, आई वेंट टू द किचन, एंड ही केम, मम्मा आप होमवर्क करे? मैंने कहा, आर यू श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू सिट एंड डू इट प्रॉपर्ली नाउ? ही सेड यस. I said, fine, I'm going to put a 10 minutes का timer. I will only give you 10 minutes to do homework. Otherwise, you do it by yourself. 10 minutes क्या? 5 minutes में ही finish the homework. Why? Because I was much more calmer. He was much more calmer. He could focus much more. Otherwise, I was just going chapar. He was in no mood to do it at that point of time. So I am not saying that this strategy is always going to work, and it has always worked for me. No. But what has always worked for me is that when I feel I am getting angry on him, when I feel I'm pushing him, जल्दी करो, इसका ये आंसर है, इसका वो आंसर है, उसमें 2 चीजें हो रही थी. एक, he is feeling rushed. Okay, 2, instead of him thinking कि क्या करना है जल्दी में, because I was irritated कि जल्दी कर, I was giving him answers, you know. So I was, जैसे होता ना कि मैं उससे आगे चल रही थी. Now when I start feeling that I'm getting irritated on him because वो homework नहीं कर रहा है, and you know he's not finishing what he's supposed to finish, I seriously sometimes just get up from there saying कि अच्छा मैं पानी पी के आती हूँ, you know, या फिर रुको मैं 1 मिनट में आती हूँ. because I feel that when I am centered around him, जब वो homework करने बैठ रहा है, and when I am not hurrying him up, he does his work much better. There are times when I actually sit with my book कि भैया मुझे पता है it's this 5 minutes or 10 minutes का thing is going to take 30 minutes. I'm not kidding, okay? When he goes idhar udhar, I just keep telling him, Zoravar, finish this. Okay, and I open my book again. There are times when I just get up and walk off like I have told you. There are times when I am just, sometimes I tell him it's your responsibility, you do it yourself. Things that I know he should do it himself, I let him do it himself. And then I go and check. And one day he told me, मम्मा आप ना यहाँ खड़े मत हो. मैंने कहा क्यों? कहता आपको पता है जब आप नहीं होते आई डू मच बेटर. आई एम लाइक वाओ यार ये तो अच्छी बात है. And I realized that maybe me standing there was giving him more anxiety. So I said, okay, you finish your page, then you come to me and I will let you know if it is right or wrong. So see what works with your child. Sometimes we pass on our anxiety to our child because हमें कुछ और करना होता है और हमें होता है तुम खत्म करो खत्म करो खत्म करो. But tell me something, is getting one sheet of paper more important than your connection with your child? एमी बेचारे को 2-3 थप्पड़ मार देते हो क्योंकि उसने होमवर्क नहीं करा. होमवर्क याद नहीं रहेगा उसको, ट्रस्ट मी. आपको भी बचपन के होमवर्क याद नहीं है, आपको बचपन के थप्पड़ ही याद है सिर्फ. हाउ योर पेरेंट्स मेड यू फील इज वॉट यू विल रिमेंबर. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट यू फील कि इज दैट मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन मी. इज दिस, अगर कोई किसी का अगर सपोज कांच का ग्लास टूट जाता था बचपन में, ठीक है, और अगर पेरेंट ने उसको सुना दिया बहुत ज्यादा, डोंट यू थिंक द चाइल्ड विल फील दैट यार वो तो कांच का ग्लास था, यू कैन बाय इट बैक. डू यू थिंक दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन हु आई एम? सो समथिंग टू थिंक अबाउट. इसके बारे में किसी और दिन बात करेंगे एज टू हाउ टू टीच चिल्ड्रन what is the most valuable thing in life. But for right now, yes, you are in the same boat as I am. I am dealing with it like this. There are very few kids who will sit and do their homework properly. So those are lucky parents I can say. But for a 5-year-old to sit quietly and doing homework is actually not expected also. They are used to run and they are used to do things. And yes, there is a difference between a boy and a girl. The girls you will see will sit down and do their homework and draw and have fine motor skills, okay? They like to do that. Boys are more into gross motor skills. They need that thing to run around. They need something to do, So there is a difference. You might see a girl there who is sitting down, doing her homework nicely, having better handwritings. You will always see in younger children, girls have better handwriting, more artistic handwriting because they're fine motor skills. Fine motor skills होते हैं जो उंगलियों की skills होती है, ठीक है, picking up, pasting things, anything related to fingers, okay? That is much better in girls. And boys make gross motor skills develop faster, which is jumping, kudna, climbing, anything that is to do with the body, the hands and the feet, okay? So the girls will sit and do their homework much more better than the boys, okay? So if you're a boy mom, I am with you. I'm in the same boat. I've told you what I have done. My mantra is this: me spoiling my relationship with my child over a piece of homework is not worth it. You ask yourself what is worth it, okay? नहीं करेगा होमवर्क. मैंने एक दिन ये भी बोला, नहीं करोगे क्या होगा? स्कूल में जाएंगे, मिस स्मिथा विल टेल यू जोरावर होमवर्क क्यों नहीं किया. देन यू फिगर इट आउट. आई हेल्प्ड यू. और ये सब मैं जोर से नहीं बोलती हूँ. दैट्स व्हाट आई कीप टेलिंग यू. You can be firm with your child without shouting, okay? You can be firm with your child and set boundaries without shouting. But having said that, I am also not saying that I have never shouted on my child. I do. My also voice raises, okay? And if I have shouted on my child, which I think in this week तो नहीं हुआ, but हाँ नहीं, this week तो शायद Monday को I did shout on him or something. But when I shout on my child, he knows कि this is business. Because it is very rarely I shout on him. लेकिन जिस दिन मैंने उसको चिल्ला के बोला ना कि जोरावर, and my tone just completely changed because he has pushed all my buttons. He knows कि भैया अब there is a line that is drawn. Okay? So, all the best. मैम गर्ल्स भी करती है ऐसे, गर्ल्स करती होंगी ऐसे, बट आई एम श्योर अबाउट इट, इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर द अटेंशन स्पैन इज लेस, बट देयर फाइन मोटर स्किल्स आर मच बेटर देन बॉयज. That is what the research says. And always remember, there is an exception. Whatever you learn, whatever research has said, it is a generic thing. There is always an exception everywhere. Okay? Okay. My son is 7-year-old. He faces problem in copying notes from board in school. But at home, when I make him do, he does it easily. So my question to you is, have you checked with your child what is it that he struggle in school? Maybe he doesn't understand teacher ka handwriting. Maybe it is too far away from him. Maybe he is distracted. Maybe there is some other reason. Maybe he is more busy doing something else. See, I'll always say something, okay? If your child, हर इंसान का कुछ भी करने के पीछे कोई रीजन है ना? अगर आप आज मेरे साथ यहाँ बैठे हो और ये लाइव सुन रहे हो, इसके पीछे भी एक रीजन है. या तो आपको सीखने के लिए आए हो, या आपको लगता है आपको मेरी शक्ल बड़ी पसंद है, या फिर आपको लग रहा है चल यार कुछ करने को तो है नहीं, इसी को सुन लेते हैं. राइट? कुछ तो रीजन है, कुछ तो रीजन होगा, है ना? ऐसे तो नहीं आपने अपना फोन उठाया और बोला चलो यार ये देख लेते. कुछ भी रीजन है. ठीक है? इन द सेम वे बच्चे भी जो भी करते हैं ना, उसके पीछे कुछ रीजन होता है. बच्चा अगर टैंट्रम थ्रो करता है, उसके पीछे भी रीजन होता है कि उसको वो चीज नहीं मिल रही जो उसको चाहिए, और उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि वो इमोशंस वो कैसे दिखाए, तो वो रो के दिखाता है. सो अगर आपका बच्चा स्कूल में कुछ कर रहा है और घर में कुछ और कर रहा है, देन इंस्टेड ऑफ आस्किंग मी कि मैम ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, आस्क योर चाइल्ड. बट हाउ यू आस्क योर चाइल्ड मेक्स द डिफरेंस. इफ यू गोना गो इन अ वे कि यार तुम घर पे तो कर रहे हो, स्कूल में क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो, ये वो, समटाइम्स चिल्ड्रन देमसेल्फ डू नॉट नो कि क्या हो रहा है. So as a parent, it is my responsibility to become CID and start investigating from different sides, and do it with love, do it with curiosity. Because sometimes उनको भी नहीं पता होता कि यार ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. In fact, as your child will grow and they are getting into teens and pre-teens, there will be a lot of things that will happen in their life that they also don't know because they are experiencing it for the first time. Okay, how they are feeling, what they are thinking. They're like, Mama, I do not know why I did that, or why I said that, or I don't know why I'm feeling like this. I'm sad, but I don't know why I'm sad. So as a parent, abhi se get used to into a CID mode, as to everything may not have a straight answer. It can have different angles to it. Start exploring those angles. Start understanding कि हो क्या रहा है. Okay? Okay. नहीं, sorry, I cannot help you with potty training. I did 2 or 3 reels on it. You can check that, because I have also struggled a lot. So in those reels, I have just mentioned about what I did. You can go ahead and search. I'm not that expert, and I don't want to even say that I know how it is to be done. Okay? Okay. Let's see. स्लैप करने से तो अच्छा है ये मैम. अच्छा, थैंक यू. मुझे पता नहीं आपने किस मैसेज पे डाला था, बट ठीक है. My parent-in-laws don't. Okay, let me. So, okay, this potty training, you have sent so many messages. Let me just say something to you. Okay, see, potty training, or I'll tell you, there are few things that your child can. Why can I see it here and not here? Okay. Okay, you are asking me about that she listens to everything except this part and things like that. Okay, see, children after a certain age, which is basically 18 months, 12 to 18 months, start identifying themselves as different. Okay, so they get into the power struggle. Okay, the more you push them, the more they will resist, because they know that दे नो यू नो व्हाट कि दिस आई कैन कंट्रोल. तो पेरेंट्स को प्रॉब्लम 3-4 चीजों पे आती है जनरली. बच्चा सोता नहीं है, बच्चा खाता नहीं है, और बच्चा पॉटी ट्रेन नहीं हो रहा है. अब ये आपने एक चीज देख लो, ये तीनों चीजें बच्चे के हाथ में है. बाकी सब आप बच्चे का कंट्रोल करते हो, ये तीनों चीजें आप बच्चे का कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हो, बिकॉज ये उनकी बॉडी से रिलेटेड है. ओके बच्चे को आप जबरदस्ती सुला नहीं सकते, बच्चे को आप जबरदस्ती खिला नहीं सकते, बच्चे को आप जबरदस्ती पॉटी ट्रेन नहीं कर सकते हो कि जब मैंने बोला है तुम तभी पॉटी करोगे. राइट? नहीं हो सकता ना. सो जो ये आप स्ट्रगल अभी महसूस कर रहे हो ना, दैट शी लिसन्स टू एवरीथिंग एल्स बट शी इज नॉट लिसनिंग टू दिस, आई वांट यू टू सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन योरसेल्फ एंड आस्क, एम आई पुशिंग हर टू मच? अगर वो अभी नहीं करेगी और अगर वो 1 महीने बाद सीखेगी या 2 महीने बाद सीखेगी, डू यू थिंक शी विल बिकम टू लेट फॉर इट? Maybe you have stressed her so much that now out of, if she's a strong willed girl, then out of you know the mere fact कि मेरे को नहीं सुनना है, she will not do it. Kids are like that. My child is like that. If I push my child way too much someday, or if I told my child 2-3 times कि कर ले ना जी, सवाल ही नहीं, अब तो दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए. बच्चे की क्या, मैं अपनी बात करती हूँ. अगर कोई मुझे ज्यादा पुश करता है कुछ करने के लिए, even if I feel like doing it, I will not do it. Okay, children want to have power in certain areas, and these are the 3 areas that they command power. क्योंकि उनको पता है बाकी तो हमारे बस में कुछ है ही नहीं, बाकी तो सारा कुछ मेरे पेरेंट्स ही मेरे लिए डिसाइड करते हैं. मैं जितना मर्जी रोलू धोलू तो भी नहीं होता है. राइट कि रॉन्ग? बाकी सब तो हम ही डिसाइड करते हैं, है ना. सिर्फ 5% बैटरी रह गई है, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो when it comes to sleep, when it comes to eating, when it comes to toilet training, children command it because they need power. So if you ask me personally, I will say back off a little bit. Okay, give your child a little time. यही चीज, stop it completely, stop it. मतलब there is no person in this world who is still wearing diapers. Remember that. Do you know anyone who is still wearing diapers? No, na. Everybody eventually gets potty trained. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I'll just say back off a little bit, give your child that time. Okay, and then again restart after a month or 2 months, and this time when you restart, let her lead. For example, you let her decide what kind of a pot she wants. That's what I did with my child. I gave my child stickers. I let him add like a book to keep there. You know, I used to talk to him when I would make him sit. And there is a lot of things that is there on internet that you can pick and choose. देखो, आप अगर उसमें ये देखोगे ना कि अगर आप उसमें ये देखोगे ना कि बच्चा उसका बच्चे के साथ ही चल गया, मेरे बच्चे के साथ नहीं चला, ऐसे तो भाई बहुत सारे हैं, बहुत सारे हैं जो मेरे बच्चे के साथ तो बिल्कुल नहीं चले. सो इट्स ओके, बट द मेन थिंग इज यू शुड कम फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ love to your child, from a place of connection to your child, instead of coming from a place of fear, instead of कि यार इसके अभी नहीं हुआ तो कभी नहीं होगा. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टाइम यू हैव अ फियर, माय डार्लिंग, एक चीज याद रखना, ऐसा कोई अडल्ट नहीं है जो अभी भी डायपर्स में घूमता है. सबने सीख लिया है, आपका बच्चा भी सीख जाएगा. अभी नहीं सीखेगा, 2 महीने बाद सीख जाएगा. ठीक है? सो विद दैट नोट, हेल्प योर चाइल्ड, डोंट फोर्स योर चाइल्ड. Okay, I'll just take one more question before my laptop automatically goes off. Okay, the importance of what? Okay, you're saying that you have asked your child many times what is the answer. मैं वही तो बोल रही हूँ, कभी कभी ना सीधा आंसर नहीं आता बिकॉज उसको भी नहीं पता होता है. नाउ इफ योर चाइल्ड इज, आई थिंक what, 10 years, 7 years, I don't know how old your child is, maybe you can tell your child that you know बच्चा, you are getting distracted. चलो वो अपने फ्रेंड से बात कर रहा है जब टीचर कुछ लिखा रही है. ओके, देन मेक इट इनटू अ स्टोरी कि सी, आप नहीं लिख रहे हो, आपका फ्रेंड लिख रहा है. राइट? कल क्या होगा, योर, my laptop is going to go off. Okay, that you're the one who is going to be behind. You are the one who will feel कि यार ये मैंने नहीं किया है. So try to build a story around it. Sorry, I'm not able to answer it properly because my mind is on my laptop right now. It's going to shut off. So I am going to now log off. Otherwise, my laptop will log me off and I'll not be able to save this live also. So I will meet you next Thursday, 11:30. Sorry for today. I have to hurry it up. Forgot to charge my laptop. But it was lovely to talk to all of you. I have not been able to read a lot of messages. There is so much activity happening in Facebook and on Instagram today कि मेरे से सारे messages भी नहीं पढ़े जा रहे हैं. But thank you for all your love and I'll see you next Thursday. And remember, let's not put our anxiety, our fear on our children. लोग बहुत कुछ बोलेंगे, अलग बच्चे हैं, हमारा बच्चा अलग है, हम सबको चाहिए हमारा बच्चा बेस्ट हो. But fortunately or unfortunately, God has created everybody different. Okay, so जैसे हम अलग है, हम भी हर चीज में बेस्ट नहीं है, हमारा बच्चा भी हर चीज में बेस्ट नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so let's try to accept our child the way it is. Let's try to parent from a place of love. Yesterday मैंने एक चीज बोली थी किसी को कि अगर आपको ठीक लगता है ना एज अ मदर कि ये सही है मेरे बच्चे के लिए, तो वो सही है आपके बच्चे के लिए. पीरियड. डोंट लिसन टू एनीबडी, डोंट इवन लिसन टू मी. Mother's intuition is the biggest gift that God has given you. With that, let's close this live and remember this for a week, okay? Your intuition is the best gift that God has given you. So trust that.